Welcome back to our final tutorial on how to massage your expectant partner in the comfort of your own home. We trust that you have mastered part 1 and 2 of the Extracts Collection Home Pregnancy Massage tutorials and that you have already had many joyful hours of connecting with your partner. The final part of the Extracts Collection Home Pregnancy Massage will guide you through every step and technique in order to help ease her back pain, which is the most common complaint for a lot of pregnant women. Grab your Extracts Collection Pregnancy Massage oil and let's begin. Finally, the best for last. We will now learn how to effectively treat the ever-famous pregnancy back pains. Open her back and apply some oil to your hands and in slow, firm motions, evenly spread the oil all over her back. Starting on her lower back, you will perform alternate palmar pressure and stretches moving up along the muscles alongside her spine. Be sure not to apply your pressure on the actual spine. Work all the way up and around her shoulders. Slide back down. Next, you will use alternate thumb strokes along the spinal muscle, starting from her lower back and really working the entire muscle group here, and then working your way upwards towards her shoulders. Be sure to start with medium pressure and slowly increase your pressure to your partner's preferred depth. When you get to her shoulders, slide back down. Using the base of your palms with firm pressure, you can now perform pressured rotaries, working on her lower back and then working your way up towards her shoulders again. Whilst on her upper back region, you will use the side palm stretch motion. Using the side and base of your palm with your hands interlocked, slide inward and outwards, moving along the entire upper back and applying pressure on the muscles, but not over the bonier parts. Continue this movement down towards her lower back, all along her spine. Using your forearm, you can now apply firm pressure and slide upwards towards her shoulders, really focusing on stretching the muscles alongside her spine. As you get to the shoulders, slide your elbow around the shoulder bone, only over the muscles. Next, using an alternate forearm and wrist motion, slide back up along her spinal muscles, applying a firm pressure. When you get to her shoulders, you will need to change your position so that you are at the top of her head. You will now massage her upper back using your thumbs and forefingers in alternative grip and lifting tissue technique over her shoulders. Using your forearm, massage in her shoulder and lower neck region. Be aware of the bonier parts and rather slide over these areas and only use pressure when you're on the actual muscle groups. Using your one hand to support and push back her shoulder, exposing the scapular bone, massage the muscles around the protruding shoulder bone using your palms. In the same area, massage using your thumbs in nice, slow, deep motions. Still working in the same region, you can now do some deep circular motions using your knuckles and working along the spinal muscles all the way down towards her lower back. If your partner is experiencing a lot of discomfort in her lower back, then spend a bit more time in this area. Just ensure that your pressure is not too intense. Moving back down towards her lower back, use the flat of your hands in a wave-like motion and move up and down in figure of eights. Next, you will work your partner's back in 3 zones. Lower zone, middle zone, and upper zone. Starting in the lower zone, facing your partner's body, you will use your thumbs in alternate, firm sliding motions. Once again, place your time and focus on the zone where your partner is experiencing the most discomfort. Adjust your massage strength to your partner's preference. In the same zone, perform knuckle rotations. You can use one hand at first and then double hands. Complete this zone by stretching the muscle outwards using the sides of your hands into flat palmar stretches. Move on to the next zone and repeat all the previous techniques. Thumb over thumb slides over the entire zone's muscle group. Knuckle rotations over the entire zone. And palmar stretches. Move on to the last zone and repeat each of the movements. Slide back down to her lower back and perform a forearm stretch using the flat bottom part of your forearm, not the bonier side of the forearm. Work all the way to her upper back and slide back down. To complete the back massage, we will be using the forearm stretch. Facing your partner's back and starting in the middle zone, you will slowly and firmly stretch out in opposite directions. Cover your partner's back with a blanket and lovingly and slowly, alternately walk up her back. Congratulations on taking the time to learn a critical, much needed skill that you and your expectant partner can share and we hope you will create unforgettable experiences and memories. On a last note, please feel free to contact us for any further expertise advice. Be sure to visit our website and order your must-have pregnancy accessories. Thank you for your time, and we trust you will have many happy hours of professional massage in the comfort of your own home. Chat with us on Facebook and Instagram on @ExtractsCollection. Enjoy your pregnancy, and we wish you the best of luck and an abundance of happiness in the days to come.